guys, it's Gina here from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, and I'm here today with another dollarbeadbox.com haul. So I usually do these subscription unboxings for their monthly bead and jewelry finding subscription box, but they also have a website, if you don't know, where you can go on and you can order a lot of their products for only $1 each if you're a subscriber or a member. So they were recently running a promotion. It was 10% off orders of $50 or more, and their shipping is usually about $4.50 if you're in the lower US like I am. So pretty much it kind of canceled out. If you spent about $50, you get about $5 off. So I went ahead and took advantage of that because their prices are already amazing, and it made me feel like I was getting even a better deal, and I like to periodically go on there and replenish some of my beads from some of their beautiful Czech glass and things that they have. So I have in front of me this beautiful box of beads, and I wanted to share my haul with you. So let's get started. Move this out of the way. So the first thing that really stands out are these Czech glass drucks, and they're in chartreuse. They're a 4mm size strand, and there's 50 per strand. But I had purchased these before and already used them up, and I love the pop of color that these give. So I wanted to get 2 more strands. And then we have this other beautiful chartreuse color, and these are a 13 by 19mm Czech glass table cut bead, and there's chartreuse with travertine. There's 10. So again, I had ordered a strand of these before and I already used them, and I love them. I use them with cobalt blue beads because I think that's such a pretty combination. And then look at these beads here. These I haven't seen on their site. I may have missed them, or they could be new, but these are a 6mm Czech glass cathedral cut in topaz and white opal, and there's 30 beads. But those are just gorgeous. I love the combination of the opal and the topaz. And then we have 12mm Czech glass stars in jet. I thought these were going to be a little smaller. I don't know why. Like, I can totally see that they're 12mm on paper. But I think they're really cool. And nice basic black. And it's always fun to get new shapes to play with. And then these beads here are 7 by 21mm Czech glass oval luster mix. And there's 5 beads on the strand. And I got 3 strands, as you can see, but I think they're beautiful. I love the luster finish, and I wanted to have multiples in the same color. Then I got 2 strands of the 6mm Czech glass cathedral cut Aqua beads, and there's 25 pieces on a strand, but I love the shape of the cathedral cut, so I was really into these, and the color is beautiful. But look how they're faceted and shaped. Gorgeous. And then these were pretty unique. These are a 9mm Czech glass triangle in Montana blue sapphire, 25 quantity. So as you can see, it's just a triangle shaped bead. And these are so cute. These are Czech glass cube beads, clear with royal blue, and they're in the 5mm size. There's about 25 on the strand. But look at the little stripes of the cobalt blue on the clear. And they're cubes, but they're kind of rounded. I thought those were really cute. And then this strand is a 10 by 12mm 1920s vintage German glass Beehive 5-color luster mix. So I've seen these on their site for a while, and I was eyeing them, and I figured, you know, for $1 I'm going to pick them up because I keep looking at these beads. They're really cute. Very unique shape. And actually, they go pretty well with those oval beads. Some of those colors really go well, don't they? Interesting. And do you guys remember from this past month's dollar bead box, we got the Trilobite beads that were really, they're funny, but they're so cool. Well, they had sent, I think it was 4, and I noticed that like lots of people were getting different colors. So I went ahead and I ordered 3 more selections so that hopefully I'd get colors that matched and so that I could make some little earrings or something like that. And I think they're really funky. They're weird, but I like them because, you know, the finishes are so cool and you don't really notice exactly what they are unless you're staring really hard. And even then, it's kind of like, what is that? But the colors are just so beautiful and the finishes, I love them. Then I got these 8mm glass stars in aqua blue. And there's 24. So again, I'm in love with the color. And I've got several different types of star beads now, so I'm not sure. I may try to come up with something that uses more than one color in the star shape, but we'll see. And these are stunning. These are a 6mm Czech glass cathedral cut in matte crystal with silver. And there's 20. But how gorgeous. Like, I love that they did matte finish on the crystal, and then the silver is super shiny. So these are really going to look beautiful. And I'm probably going to order more of these in the future because I love these. And then something else that they offer on their site are 5 little tubes of super duos for $5. And I always like to get their super duos because it's a random selection. So for $5, it's fun to get some new colors to play with that I'm not expecting. And I love the selection they sent, just like the last time. So I got, you know, even different colors than I ordered the last time. And these are all gorgeous. I've been having a lot of fun with super duos. They are a bead that are new to me this year, but I've made so many projects from them. And at first I wasn't sold, like before I started playing with them, like, yeah, they're just another, you know, pricey bead. But you can really do so much with these. They're very versatile. And then slowly but surely, I'm trying to build up my stash of larger sizes of seed beads, because once in a while it's good to have some larger sizes for different projects. So they had these 3 tubes of size 6 white pearl seed beads for just $1. So I went ahead and picked those up. And then check these out. These are stunning. So these are 12mm Czech glass waterfall cut crystal beads. And they are, there's 8. They're gorgeous. They actually look just like the beads I just received in my last bead crate, which I said would make a lovely pair of earrings, because just the way these are faceted and shaped, they're so beautiful. So I got the 12mm and I also got the 10mm because I love them so much. And there's 16 of the 10mm. So you can see those. They go with so much, being that they're clear. And then I got the 16mm Czech glass tabular square beads that are chartreuse with travertine. And you get 2 of those. See the hole right there. But they'll be fun maybe to work in with some of my other chartreuse beads that I just got today. I also received 2 18 by 18mm Czech glass tabular square beads in Peacock finish. And I actually just bought some beads like these in a smaller size that I featured on one of my previous videos from the Beadbox Bargains website. So I'm thinking I can coordinate these somehow in a piece together with the smaller ones that are in that same finish. So then I purchased these 6mm glass hearts in pink opal, and I just think they're so dainty and cute. Can look closely and see all the details in these hearts, all the striations of that opalescent design with the pink. And then we received one of these beautiful Hawaiian Flowers in our last dollar bead box, and I got one in the jet color, and I wanted to get one more so that I could make a pair of earrings. So I went ahead and added that to my order. I also got this set of 5 cord ends, and they're silver plated. I got an antique brass 2-strand slide clasp, and we received these previously and I love them so much, so I actually ordered 5 more sets of 3. These are the 8mm Czech glass faceted barrel beads, multicolor, and I think they are so cool looking, and the colors are especially nice for fall, I think. I also got 2 of the 12 by 20mm Czech glass 2-hole rectangles in silver opal. And we had gotten this previously, but I wanted to have one more so I could make a set of earrings. And this is a 12 by 16 table cut opaque red with travertine bead. So now I have 2 of those. And then last but not least, I have some buttons. Looks like they did stick a couple beads in here. So let's see. So these right here are called 14mm Czech glass button beads, and they're an opaque white with satin taupe finish. And then these are 13mm Tiger's Eye 1950s Czech glass buttons, which I thought were pretty cool looking. These are 12 by 14mm 1950s hand-painted Czech glass button beads, red strawberry, and you get 2 of those. And I got some buttons because it's nice to have buttons sometimes for bracelet clasps, especially when they're really pretty like these and unique. And then finally, these are a selection of some of their vintage Czech glass sunflower buttons. So I ordered, as you can see, 4 different kinds here in different sizes, which will make for some really cool button closures as well. So I'm really excited about my haul as usual. I'm really happy that you guys joined me to see some of these lovely beads that you can find at dollarbeadbox.com. They really have some great deals, and I hope you will be with me again soon for my future videos. I have lots more in store. We have a lot of the September subscription box unboxings to look forward to, at least 5 or 6 that are coming in September, as well as many more tutorials and finished jewelry updates where I'll show you what I do with all these beads and what kinds of projects that I make, so you can maybe get a little bit of inspiration. But as always, I hope you all have a great day, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would also love for you to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Etsy, Orchid and Opal Jewelry. Thanks for watching!